Hey guys, welcome back to PrintZebra. It's G, and today we're going to be unboxing the most perfect business asset tool that you definitely need, if you ask me, and it's the iPhone 12 Pro Max. You don't need the actual 12 Pro Max. Of course, you could basically use almost any smartphone, but I chose to go with the iPhone 12 Pro Max because my daily driver is an iPhone 10s, and my wife has the iPhone 11 Pro Max, which is wonderful. And I wanted to upgrade, but from the 10s, I didn't think the 11 Pro Max was worth the upgrade. Now the 10s is still an awesome phone. This phone, I haven't got a chance to use it yet, but I'm excited, super excited to use this phone. Now it's time to get into this unboxing of the 2020 iPhone 12 Pro Max. And this is the 128 gigabyte model. I went with this one because my last phone was 64 gigabytes of storage. I had it for about a year and some change, maybe about a year and 4 or 5 months, and I just recently hit max storage, but it was because of an app that I since deleted and then reinstalled, and all of the half of the gigabytes that it took up, like 30 something gigabytes, all of that was deleted. I reinstalled the app and the phone still has a lot of space on it. It didn't slow down. The only way I knew the storage was full is because it gave me a notification. The iPhone XS worked fine, and it still is working fine. So just letting you guys see this. Time to open it up. I immediately noticed, going from a smaller phone, the weight of this. It's in a slimmer box than all of the other iPhones that I had. And it's pretty big. The size of the box is bigger. Of course, it's the Max. And I'm not comparing this to the 11 Pro Max, but I will, of course. So make sure y'all get subscribed up. Let's see how this baby looks. Okay, right out of the box, as soon as you open it up, you see the iPhone, the nice blue color. I was interested in this color. I do have a blue Samsung phone, but it's more of a shiny blue. There's no charger in the box this time. Let's get this out of the box. Whoa. As you can see, got the stainless steel edges. It feels like it's all glass, like it's like a slab of glass in your hands. That's how that feels. That's my first reaction to it. And this right here feels premium also. See the 3 cameras in the back, the LiDAR. Oh, before I do anything else, I'm gonna put the screen protector on. I'm gonna open this up so you guys can see it. Then we're putting the screen protector on. Now, as far as the fingerprints go on the side, I mean, it got fingerprints on the side, but it's still shiny. It still looks nice. There's nothing you could do about that. As you see, they still didn't change the port. The speakers on the bottom. This is a beautiful, beautiful phone. It feels kind of heavy, but the way that the weight is, it's like a solid all around weight in my hand. So it feels balanced, and it definitely doesn't feel too big for my hands. As you guys can see, it's perfect for me. I can deal with this whole phone like this. Slide it a little like that. So let's turn it on. Oh, by the way, I went and got this from Amazon. So I'll leave a link in the description to that. It's a screen protector. And not only is it a screen protector, it's like tempered glass screen protector. Plus, it's made specifically for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. And on top of that, it has like the little things for the back, for the camera, the 3 camera array for the back. It's pretty cheap, I think, for what it offers. So let's open this up while that's getting prepared. Now we're gonna set this iPhone up as a new iPhone because my old iPhone is not giving me notifications for some reason from IG, and I really need those notifications. Okay, so this is what's inside the screen protector patch installation kit. It's a cleaning kit right here. I guess this is to clean your glass right before you apply your screen protectors. Now this came with like a quick, just to let you guys know, this came with like a quick dual thing. I thought it was awesome because, you know, for the, like I told you guys, my wife got the 11 Pro Max. Not really interested in upgrading. We know that it wasn't leaps and bounds of upgrades. Anyway, this is screen protectors here, the lens in the back, like I was telling you, for the LiDAR and everything. I heard this year the battery in the 12 Pro Max is a little bit smaller than last year. So here go the screen protectors. Like I said, I'm gonna leave a link in the description for you guys to check that out and make sure you protect this phone. You do not want to get a scratch on day one. Apple's lightning cable, the infamous. It's a USB-C. We got a few of them around. Apple did this to save the environment, which I think is great in the long run. We don't need no more of those wall bricks. I mean, I'm speaking for myself. This phone, I may put a case on it. It's pretty big. It's pretty expensive. Okay, we got a SIM card ejector. Oh yeah, we got some awesome Apple stickers. As far as the size of the iPhone 12 Pro Max and the 12 Pro, it's up to you which one you want to get. And I know everybody says that, and when you look at a video to find out which one you want to get, that you really want a definitive answer. I wanted a new phone regardless. I knew whatever iPhone that came out, I was getting it. I want the best of the best, right? This is what Apple has to offer. They're best of the best. And now, I think a lot of times people might get disappointed between the iPhone 12 Pro and the iPhone 12 Pro Max because y'all thinking, okay, the 12 Pro Max is going to be better than the 12 Pro. No, listen. There's a mini, there's an iPhone 12. There's a 12 Pro, and the Max is the same 12 Pro. It's just bigger. And that's why this has a bigger sensor and a bigger screen. And that's what you're paying for. And this does try out Apple's new image stabilization system. That's like inside of the phone, which is a great thing if you ask me, because a lot of times when you're using phones like this, you're moving, you're talking, you're vlogging, and you're moving around, and the stabilization is really important. It's key to the shot. So as far as what I feel so far in my hands, this thing feels perfect. I really can appreciate the size of it coming from the iPhone XS, which by the way is recording this video from the top down, guys, to let y'all know. And I'm going to set this up, and that's pretty much it for my unboxing. You guys make sure y'all hit that like button if y'all like this video, and get subscribed up so you don't miss what's next. And just to let y'all know, the reason why I started off talking about business for this is because you can actually run a business with an iPhone or iPad, and I will show you guys how. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.